So what's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and I got an email. And that email, they was pretty much asking, is Exitus Elite legit? They wanted to be sure that it wasn't a scam. And they also wanted to know the pros and cons. So I'm going to answer the questions right here. No, it is 100% not a scam. It is a legit company. The owner is Paul Stevenson. His son Jacob is over support. It's not one of those here today, going tomorrow companies. They've been in business for 9 years and they are here for the long run. And I said in other videos, I love Exitus Elite. This is going to be the only company I'm promoting as my primary business. Anything else you hear me talk about is tools to promote Exitus Elite. So the pros and cons. Let me go over the cons first. Since you're using their lead capture pages, you're using their autoresponder, which is coded to you, so your name, email address, and phone number is in the emails. But in the pages and the sales pages or anything like that, you're not branded. Now you can create a bridge page because they got a section in the back office where you can create a bridge page to introduce yourself. But the only con that I know of, that I can think of, compared to any other businesses that's out there, that's about network marketing, training, personal development, mentorship, because that's the products. It's online marketing courses that teaches you this stuff. Okay, comes with everything you need, lead sources in the back to drive to your lead capture pages you can choose from. So even a new person can start today, and they're given everything they need to win, to get access to resources and everything that they can use to build their business and make money quickly. So let's go over the pros, right? So going over the pros, I said something in those talking about the cons. It comes with lead capture pages. They give you a number to choose from. It has a built-in autoresponder that's coded to you. It has a business presentation that is done for you. They have a call center that will close your sales and send you the commission. We get paid 100% of the profit. You pay one time and one time only, and you no monthly fees, no yearly fees. You never pay again, and you earn unlimited income. You get to choose how you get paid from Venmo, Cash App, etc. We make anywhere between $100 to $2,000 in instant same-day commissions. There's no waiting on your money. You make a sale today, you get paid within minutes because they're paid member to member directly. The only money that Exitus Elite makes is the admin fee. They have lead sources in the back office you can get. If you're busy, you can't do organic traffic, you can run traffic to your lead capture page that they all provide. The lead capture page collects the name, number, email address. The autoresponder does a follow-up for you. The presentation is done for you. And there's a call center you can activate that will close your sales and send you your commission. So you can be on vacation and still make money. And the system did literally 95% of the work. And using a call center, it's an 80%, 20% split. So even though you did 5% of the work, you get 80% of the money. That's a no-brainer. Especially if you're busy and you can't really close your own sales, the company does it for you. There's so many benefits inside of Exitus Elite compared to all the other companies I promoted in the past. This is bar none the best, period. Almost every single company that's instant income, no waiting on your money, literally has all been shut down that I've promoted. There's a lot still out there, but the ones I promoted are all gone. Exitus Elite is 9 years running successful. So to answer your question, is Exitus Elite worth it? Absolutely. Is Exitus Elite a scam? Absolutely not. I stand behind this company. I stand behind Exitus Elite. Michael Petty is saying it's worth the investment. I'm in it for the long haul. This all I'm going to promote. You may hear me mention other tools, but that's just to promote Exitus Elite. Can you make money from other tools? Yes, but those are the tools I personally use to promote Exitus Elite. Right? So that's my honest opinion. I love this company. I don't know what else to say that's absolutely great about it. It's good for pros, good for newbies. If you're already in another business opportunity and you want to use Exitus Elite training to build that business, cool. Or Exitus Elite itself as a standalone business opportunity. So that's why this is home for me. To get more information about Exitus Elite, click the link down in the description and get all the details that you need to know. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.